We've got a classic on the menu today, one that screams summer, light, fruity, and one of my personal favorite desserts.
Absolutely, mine too. Chef Lisa Fernandez is with Helms College, and she is back on the Rise and Dine kitchen today. She's serving up Strawberry Shortcake. It's a timeless treat that always offers, it's always a crowd pleaser. Lisa, thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Let's go over what we have as far as ingredients. Obviously,
yes,
strawberries are on them.
Yeah, the first thing we have here is our ingredients for the shortbread biscuits. We have the dry ingredients. This is flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. We have our heavy cream, our cold butter. We also have macerated strawberries here. Strawberries, I crushed up half of them and added sugar to them, and that's how we get this beautiful juice. You just have to let it sit for half an hour to an hour, and it's just a natural juice, so you don't have to cook it.
I don't think I know a kid that didn't just drink the strawberry juice.
True,
yeah.
Right? Same.
Yeah,
And then we have our whipped cream or creme chantilly for later. So I think we're going to have, you start mixing here.
Yeah, okay.
So we just kind of, you could sift this together, our dry ingredients, or you could just whisk it together. But we just toss it in. Yes.
Hands in.
Yes.
Fun.
Now with the biscuit method, and this is a technique, it's a foundational technique that we teach in the first quarter. So you have to know this first thing.
Right.
We have to have cold butter.
All right.
Room temp to cold butter. Ooh. So the difference between shortbread and biscuits is that the shortbread has a little bit more sugar and the biscuits are a little bit more savory.
Am I?
Yes, you're gonna mix it in. I'm sorry. You're gonna mix it in and let it look a little bit like cornmeal.
Okay.
Ooh. Yes, and you could rub it in also.
I don't, and if you've watched this show before, you know I am not proficient in the kitchen.
You're doing great.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
You're doing so good.
All right.
And it's important for all the ingredients to be cold so that the butter stays pretty solid. It just helps with the leavening part.
Okay.
So this is heavy cream.
All right.
I'm just gonna pour all that in.
So are biscuits kind of an easy thing to mess up?
It is.
That's what I've heard. My mom would always say that.
It can be. It's usually because the ingredients aren't cold enough, or just a simple misscale, or you just overmixed it, and that's how they get kind of heavy.
Oh, right. So you want it to be kind of chunky a little?
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely.
Is that how you get the texture?
Yes.
That's the perfect texture.
It is.
Okay.
Cool.
So we're going to keep doing that over. Yes.
Do you want to build a snowman?
If it gets a little warm, you can throw it into the refrigerator for a little bit.
Okay.
But we have here a finished dough that we just kind of smashed down to about a little bit less than an inch tall.
Okay.
And Mary's going to use this to cut. It's just a 1 cup measuring cup.
Yeah, you don't even need like a cutter. You can just use this.
No, but you could also use a knife and cut out squares so that they look more homemade, like that.
Okay.
And this dough is cold. Yes. And you could just kind of pop it out. Yeah.
I don't know what to do with it.
That's okay. Boop.
Oh, okay. I didn't cut it well enough.
Yes, pastry's fun like that.
I swear I'm better at my own house, okay? Okay, well, here we go.
Yes, and while this is going, you could have your butter melting.
Okay.
And we're going to brush each top of the biscuit with butter. I'm sorry, shortbread. And you could sprinkle it with some granulated sugar.
There you go.
Yes.
Beautiful.
So we'll just do a couple.
Okay.
And brush it with butter. We're going to put it into a hot oven, 420, 425.
All right.
Okay.
Now we're making strawberry shortcake here, but there are other berries that you can use if you want to.
Oh yes,
right?
I love blueberries the best. Yes, and I actually like to cook those down a little bit with some sugar and some lemon, and it's so bright, and I love the color of it. Oh, you can mix it with this for 4th of July for your red wine. Oh.
Red, white, and blue. Okay.
That was last week,
like
but next year, absolutely.
Yes. Okay, so we have finished biscuits here. They're nice and golden. They're very sweet.
Oh, wow.
So what I'm going to do now, the berries are nice and juicy already. So I like to let the juice kind of soak into the biscuit. And I like to put too many berries.
It smells so good.
There's
Oh,
you can never have too many berries.
No.
Come on now.
No.
Now, are there any tricks for making some whipped cream at home? Do you make it yourself?
Yes. So it's got to be cold. I did this with a whisk. Oops, I did that with a whisk.
I like the way that looks.
You want to use powdered sugar and not granulated sugar because granulated sugar will make it a little bit loose.
Okay.
I like to use vanilla bean because it's a little fancier.
Ooh.
Yes.
And there you go.
Just gonna make a little hat.
A sandwich.
It's a hat.
And
Okay.
I just like to make it just a little bit fancy. This is just some warm water. And this is called a quenelle. This is just a thing that we do at the school.
Oh, look at that.
And you just go, boop, right there.
Who knew you could do that?
Yeah.
Well,
Yep.
I can't. I mean, you could. But
So there's our strawberry shortcake.
okay.
Beautiful. It smells
Thank you.
delicious, looks delicious. I'm sure it tastes delicious
Hey,
too.
well, we're going to
You gonna
test it
try
now.
some?
Come on.
All right, let's
Jump
go.
in there.
Very good.
I will have a little bit of the bottom right there. And
I spilled a strawberry on my foot.
this isn't an apron. This is a bib.
That's her-
Oh, delicious.
Delicious.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. And we will have the menu and the recipe on our Facebook page too, so you can check that out. Lisa, thanks for coming on.
Thank
We
you so
appreciate
much
it
for having me.
So good.